step out, step back here.
Am I being detained?
Yes, sir, you are.
What crime have I committed to be detained?
You've been drinking. This is a field sobriety checkpoint. Okay?
Sir, how did you confirm that I was drinking?
Sir?
Welcome back to the channel. Today's video takes us to a late night sobriety checkpoint where a single phrase, "I smell alcohol," is somehow enough to turn a completely sober citizen into a suspect pulled from his vehicle, questioned in the cold, and ordered to perform roadside tests. No drinking, no violation, no evidence, but there is an imaginary smell of alcohol and a so-called field sobriety checkpoint that sounds newer than the law they keep referencing in this video. You will see how a lie gets caught on camera, how explanations begin to contradict each other minute by minute, and how constitutional rights are treated like a late shift experiment. Before we dive into this mess, don't forget to like the video and leave a comment sharing what you think about enforcing the law using nothing but imagination.
Hi, can you write it down, please?
That's fine.
I'm Officer Benson with the Murfreesboro Police Department. This is a field sobriety checkpoint. Have you had anything to drink tonight?
I do not have to answer that question.
This is a field sobriety checkpoint.
I understand
we're
that, but I
conducting
don't have to
a
answer
field sobriety
that
checkpoint to ensure that. Okay, why don't you pull over right there for me? Pull in that parking lot.
In the parking lot?
Yes, please.
Okay.
You actually don't have to.
What's a field sobriety checkpoint?
I think she just made that up, honestly.
Remember, just if she tells you get out of the car, just say, "Am I being detained?"
Should I turn the vehicle around?
I just pull up here, like in these parking spaces.
I don't want to be trapped.
Yeah. I mean, this is fine right here.
What's going on, brother? Sergeant Cox, Murfreesboro Police Department, okay? This officer's going to ask you to step out. Need you to step out, step back here to the rear of the car. All right, take field sobriety, okay? Leave the car running. We'll leave the windows up for them because I don't need them freezing to death, okay? We do need you to step out, step back here.
Am I being detained?
Yes, sir, you are.
What crime have I committed to being?
Sir?
What crime have I committed to be detained?
You've been drinking. This is a field sobriety checkpoint, okay? Then you step out of your car.
Sir, how did you confirm that I was drinking?
Sir?
How have you confirmed that I've been drinking?
Name and badge
You
number.
can smell it for one, okay? Like I said, the officer detected it and need you to step out of the car.
Okay, can I get a name and badge number?
269 Sergeant Cox. Okay?
Looks like I don't have much of a choice here.
No, you say you're being detained.
Thank you, sir, very much.
Keep the camera on us.
Officer, please, take care. Guys, I'm gonna roll this window up so you can stay warm.
Nope, keep it down. We want to hear what's going on, actually.
Okay, no problem. No,
all right.
I just didn't want you guys freeze to death.
I appreciate that,
though. One thing, whatever you said the other, all right?
I appreciate it.
It's not a problem, fellas, okay?
All right, thanks.
He's at this point, he's like, what the hell I got myself into?
There's the Freedom trailer where they strap people down and take their blood without their consent. Keep in mind, he has not drank at all, and they said they smelled alcohol on him, so they're obviously lying.
Hey, can I ask you a question real quick? Hey, what's a field sobriety checkpoint? That's a new one on me.
Say again?
What's a field sobriety checkpoint? The female officer identified as a field sobriety checkpoint. What is that? Okay.
What is it?
He said she'll explain.
What's going on?
Keep going.
All right, so we got to find a place to park.
All right, stay warm. What's got?
Okay,
Yes, sir.
number one, as officers, when we became officers, did you not swear an oath to uphold the Constitution?
We uphold the law, okay? These are deemed to be legal in the state of Tennessee, okay? And anytime you enter a checkpoint, the officer just says that they detect the odor of alcohol coming from the car, okay? Which you said you've been drinking. Doesn't mean you're drunk, okay?
I never said
Well,
that.
because, well, you didn't have to, okay? Then we're going to pull you out of the car, all right? Talk to you for a minute, conduct a series of field sobriety tests. If you're not intoxicated, you're free to go. If you're intoxicated, then unfortunately we have to do our job, which is enforce the law and arrest you for DUI. As you can see, we got you out, gave you a couple real quick tests. Okay, we've been courteous, we've been kind, we're cutting you loose. You're free to go. Okay?
I have a question for you, sir.
One last question. How much did this Freedom trailer here cost the American taxpayers?
Not sure, sir. It's not our trailer, so I wouldn't know.
Oh, whose jurisdiction is that trailer?
That would be Smyrna.
Smyrna, and they are here in Murfreesboro city limits.
No,
Why?
sir, they're not in Murfreesboro city limits. They are here tonight working with us, yes, in coalition with the THP. The way that works is they can be here, and we use their equipment, because they fall under the jurisdiction of the state. Okay, as long as we're helping them or assisting them, we can do that.
Okay, I'll have to check on that. And one last time, name and badge number, please.
Officer Benson, 866.
866.
You mind if I ask you a really quick question?
Sergeant Cox, 269. No, go ahead, sir.
I mean, the first one is the signs are placed after you pass the sign. There's nowhere to turn off, so you're supposed to have the option to avoid once you see the sign.
There actually is a turnaround. Okay,
Come in
the
westbound.
law is very clear. Okay, if you do a U-turn and you turn around and you go back, as long as you do it
Legally?
correctly and legally, we can't stop you.
Okay.
Okay. So you do have that option. Okay. That is written in the law.
Okay. I didn't know that. I appreciate that.
No, sir.
The last question I have is: do you feel this is right? I mean, do you feel this is do you feel this might be kind of an abuse of the Constitution to just arbitrarily pull
Sir,
everyone
I don't
over?
make the laws. I just enforce them.
I understand
Just
that.
several days. You know what I'm saying?
I understand,
You can
but-
disagree with them all day long. The laws are written a certain way. All I can do is enforce those laws. Okay.
Okay, and you know, when I was growing up, I wanted to be a police officer, and I never in a million years would I ever envision myself sitting on a cold roadway, just arbitrarily questioning people. I've done nothing wrong. I can't imagine, as you probably want to be a police officer.
Okay, it's as simple as this. How are you doing today? My name is Sergeant Cox. Conducting a field sobriety checkpoint. Got anything to drink? No. If I don't detect the odor of alcohol, just have a good night. We move you on through.
We haven't been drinking, so I don't know where the odor came from. Though I mean, that just boggles my mind that she smelled alcohol.
Okay. So nobody in the truck's been drinking at all?
No.
I have a field sobriety test, get in the car, and if you'd be willing to take one, I'd be willing to get
No,
down
I'm
and
not
take
gonna-
one.
no, I'm not gonna really
Thanks,
do
so.
anything.
Have a good night.
Hey, I'd like to ask you something if you don't mind.
Have a good night, gentlemen.
Of course, he wants to ignore.
And this is exactly why recording matters. Because without the camera, the lie becomes the report and the report becomes the truth tonight. You saw how easily a made-up excuse can justify pulling someone out of their car, how rights are treated as optional, and how accountability only appears once the lens is rolling. So let me ask you this. If you were in that car, would you have complied or would you have challenged it? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, hit the like button if you believe rights should not depend on an officer's mood, and subscribe. For more real footage, real analysis, and real accountability, see you in the next one.